Imagine you're a sales manager reviewing performance for the first half of 2025. You've got rows of numbers, but it's tough to see who's excelling and who's falling behind. That's where conditional formatting helps. First, let's highlight our top performers. Select the sales data in B2, G6, go to Conditional Formatting, top/bottom rules, top 10 items, and pick a bold fill. Instantly, the strongest sales stand out. Now, let's catch underperformers. With the same range, choose Conditional Formatting, highlight cells rules less than, type 150, and pick a red fill. Any sales below 150 are now obvious. Before we add another style, let's clear the rules. With the range still selected, go to Conditional Formatting, clear rules from selected cells. Now, for a color scale, go to Conditional Formatting, Color Scales, and choose the green, yellow, red option. Instantly, high values turn green, low values turn red, and middle values fade between. You've just created a heat map of performance. With conditional formatting, your spreadsheet tells a story: who's leading, who needs support, and where to focus next.